So guys, this is the number one mistake 90% plus new bloggers are doing on their website, and this is terrible for SEO. This could be another reason that your website get rejected from Google AdSense. So you can see this is the website submitted one of my channel subscribers. You can see they're doing this mistake. Please tell me what is the first mistake you can see on this website. Let me give you an example. Another website, you can see another blog submitted by channel subscriber. You can see they're doing the same mistake here. If you get it right, please comment. There's another blog, you can see they're doing the same mistake on the website. There's another blog, they're doing the same mistake on the website. And I have so many blogs submitted by channel subscriber which I audit on my regular live stream. If you never attended live stream, please make sure you attend the live stream where I give so much important tips and tricks about the website blogs, and I do live website audits. If you guess the mistake, what is common mistake among all these blog websites, please comment below. Take a time, pause this video and comment it. Let me tell you what's the mistake. The mistake is the bad menu. You can see the main menu is one of the most important part of your website. Not just for SEO, also for user experience. In this website, there's a food blog. What is the menu? Home, about, best deal, tools, contact, English. Let's see another blog website. You can see home, about, contacts us, terms and condition. Let's see this blog. Blog, about, contact, privacy policy, terms and condition. Home, about, blog, contact. Now imagine you go to your favorite restaurant, and when you pick up the menu and you see instead of the dishes in the menu, they tell you about the privacy policy of the restaurant. They tell you about the food and safety regulations, or they tell something big about how restaurants started and all those things. Okay, this is the same mistake most of new blogger does. They add these kind of links which should not be in the menu. Terms and condition does not belong to the main menu. Privacy policy does not belong to the main menu. So these things, they belong to the footer of the page, and main menu should use to add the broad topics you have on your website, or you can say categories on your website. So that's really important, because when you add the relevant topics in categories, when Google bots come to your website, they can access your website properly and they can know what is website about. It helps search engine to index your website and rank your website based on the topics you're creating blog posts on your website. So for example, this is a food blog website. You should not add all these things. Okay, about is fine, contact is fine, but nothing more than that. And this is another big flaw. People don't know about this organization. Guys, organization, categorization is really important for your blog website, and also for SEO and also for user experience. What you need to do is, what I want you guys who is doing this mistake, if you're not doing the mistake, congratulations, you can skip this video, watch another video of the channel. But if you're doing this mistake, what you need to do is go to ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool and then type, I'm running a niche website, give me 5 categories, topics to focus. So here you can, instead of niche, you can write, I'm running food blog website, give me 5 categories, topic to focus. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Grok 3 via your X account, or you can use DeepSeek, which I really like. It's really one of the best one nowadays. We don't know about the future, but right now it is real nice. You can use 2 or 3, which can give you more of idea about the categories you can use on your website. So if I give this information to here and then ChatGPT or Grok also, Grok is having some problem today, so I'm not going to use it. I'll just show you around ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So you can see ChatGPT give us this broad topics, recipes and cooking tips. For example, if we go here, there's no categories here. The categories here should be the recipes, and then healthy eating or nutrition. Nutrition could be a category. Food reviews could be one category. Food blogging can be one category. Street food could be one category or topic. You do not need to add the complete name here. Just take the inspiration. You need to decide a strategy for a blog, what you want to display on your blog. Using multiple AI tools, it will give more idea about the top categories. For example, here you can see DeepSeek gives us more information. It tells us global cuisine spotlights, dietary friendly recipes, easy weeknight meals, seasonal holiday special. So you can use all these topics or categories. Not just categories, you can make them subcategories if you don't want to make this categories, which will really help your website SEO. If you have finance blog, you can ask ChatGPT the same thing. I'm running a finance blog website, give me 5 categories, topics to focus. Same thing will happen, guys, because most of the new bloggers, what they lack is organization of the content. I do live streams. I explain to everybody that it's really important to organize your website. That's why search engine will index your website properly. And even user, when they come to a website, if they find only, for example, if I come here, I will find about tools, and tools. What is tools about? There are tools about cooking food, or what is this tool about? Best deals. Like, is it a food website or what is this website about? For example, I go to this website. This is about banking. They explain everything about banking. And what I see here, privacy policy, terms and condition, contact, about. And I cannot see any relevant information what I'm interested in. So you can take help of your AI tool. And for example, a finance blog, you can add one category or one main menu item is personal finance. Second is wealth building or investing. Third could be make money online. One could be side hustles. So you need to create this kind of category. If you're not sure what category you should choose, please come on live stream. I do every Thursday on this channel. Check the live section on my channel. You will know when is the next stream will happen. Hope you get some value out of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Please watch this video. It should really help you to write a nice blog post which will rank on Google.